Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given OAPB is a sector, radius is also given 8 cm, center is O. Oh, they give me the area of this sector, which is 64 cm square. Find the angle AOB. That means they will want us to find this angle here. Since they give me area, then the very first thing that comes to my mind would be to use the formula for area of a sector, okay? Which informs that if I'm going to let x be the angle AOB, then when I divide by 360 times the area of this circle, pi r square, that will give me 64. Radius is 8. And from here onwards, I would then need to use my algebra. Okay? Where I'm going to divide by pi times 8 pi r square. I divide by pi 8 square on both sides, after which then I see that there is still x degree over 360. I'm going to multiply 360 degrees on both sides, and eventually I will get 114.6 degrees when rounded off to 1 decimal place. Well, now that I know x is 114.6 degrees, then for part B, where they need us to find the area of the segment ABP, which is the shaded area here, I hope you can see that. In order to find this, I already know the area of the whole segment here, 64. That means, what this means is that the whole sector, which is this whole black color area that I'm shading, is 64. So if I know my green color area of this triangle, then I will be able to get the red color easily, right? The red color is just the sector minus the triangle. Okay, and that's exactly what we will do. So I'm going to just make a copy of this, bring it down, so that's easier for you to see. So in my working here, then you will see that the green color area of the triangle OAB, I'm going to make use of, this is 8, what we call the area of a triangle, half AB sine C. So in case you don't already know, half times 8 times 8 times sine of 114.592 degrees. This will actually give me the area, 29.0974. And because I already know the sector, the whole thing is 64. If I minus away my 29.0974, the area of the triangle, I will then get my area of the segment as 34.9 cm square to 3SF. Okay. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.